Hi friends, this is Ernest here. It's great to see you on my review channel. Today, we will discuss about Jewel, the world's first app that forces Google to pay us. Now, before that, once you decide to click on the link below and buy Jewel, you will be also getting my earnestly splendid bonuses. So what is Jewel all about? Jewel is the world's first app that literally forces Google to pay us $393.12 every day, in only 89 seconds flat. The best part? All we have to do is activate a few things inside of Jewel, and everything else falls into place. So yes, you can do this too. 100% legal, 100% ethical without experience. Prices and upsells. Front end, Jewel, $17. Access the powerful Jewel software and training modules. Upsell number 1, Jewel Unlimited, $39 and downsell of $29. Experience Jewel without limits. Create unlimited campaigns and unlock unlimited capability on everything inside your account. Upsell number 2, Jewel, done for you, $197 of $97. Want us to set up and fine-tune your Jewel account so it's ready to churn out $300 to $500 per day? Here's are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. No actual work, you make other people do all the work for you. New, unique software and training. 100% newbie friendly, yet equally powerful for advanced marketers. Proven profitable over and over. Works in any niche. All the traffic is built in. All of this is covered by a no questions asked 30-day money-back guarantee. Bonus number 1, how to maximize your traffic with retargeting. Bonus number 2, how to be an online entrepreneur. Bonus number 3, how to use Instagram influencer to access timeless traffic. Bonus number 4, access Nova and all the upsells. This is a very good software for you. Bonus number 5, all the special bonuses from the vendor. When you click here, you will go to the sales page. You will be able to read the features at your leisure. Let's have a look at the demo video before we go over to the sales page.
Wow, every time I refresh, this happens. Yup, my full-time job is to keep refreshing my account and watch the money keep going up. You would think I'm some kind of a genius, or that I work 14 hours every day to achieve that kind of result, and you'd be dead wrong. In fact, I have very limited experience with computers, and I barely do any work. And still, I get payments like this on a daily basis. Don't you wish you can finally have the breakthrough you always wanted? Aren't you tired of wasting your time and money on useless products? I know you've tried your best and didn't get the results you deserve. Not only that, I also know that you see pages like this every day. Products that promise you financial freedom but delivers nothing. Again, aren't you tired of all that? Let me tell you something. I was in the same boat you are in now. Struggling to pay rent, struggling to put food on the table, my life was miserable. I tried my best to earn some extra cash, but apparently my best wasn't enough. I kept trying this internet thing over and over with no results. My friends and family told me to my face, "You're crazy," but that didn't stop me. I believed in myself when nobody did. Look, it's really simple. I'm a competitive guy by nature. If you told me I can't do something, you better bet that I will. And it's not like I had another option anyway. So I spent the next 20 months, yes, almost 2 years, in trial and error, spending nearly 6 figures in testing and developing a solution. I got myself into huge debt just to find the better way. Fast forward 20 months, I finally found a way around this major roadblock. A new way that will allow me to make money without selling anything. Sounds unbelievable, right? Using this method allowed me to make money without selling anything. I immediately started scaling it up to see what would happen. The first time I opened my account and I saw $7.04. It's nothing. It's not even enough to put gas in my car. But hey, it's a start. The next day I woke up to this. Not perfect, but way better. Third day, okay, wow, first $100 plus day. Fourth day, now we're talking. Finally, money that I can rely on. It went on to generate money for me on autopilot. That same month, I ended up making a little over $11,000. I finally have a working solution. Wondering how the heck I do it? It's all thanks to Google Loophole. You read that right, the search engine you and I use every single day. In fact, almost the entire world uses Google on a daily basis, but Google is much more than just a search engine. Google offers more than 50 other services other than the search engine, and that's where the money is. Let me explain. In 2021, Google is the dominant search engine with a 91.94% market share. Yup, more than 90% of the market share. When was the last time you saw any company own that much of the market? But wait, Google has 2.5 trillion searches per year worldwide. Not million, not billion, trillion. Google is the easiest digital gold mine. Luckily for you, I've created the perfect solution. A system that combines the power of free traffic and passive income. Trust me, that's a deadly combination. I created a cutting-edge app to use Google's feature against itself. This one-of-a-kind app basically does all the heavy lifting for me. It does all the work and lets me profit big. This app works for anyone too. Since the app does all the work, you don't need any kind of experience to operate it. If you have an internet connection, you can use it to replicate our results, period. And this is not just a general statement. We have data to back it up. Hundreds of profitable users, and you can see what they had to say about it in this page. You're just 3 steps away from a life-changing experience. Step 1, log in. Click on any of the links on this page and get instant access to Joule. Step 2, replicate. Follow a 90-second process to replicate our business. Step 3, refresh. That's your full-time job now. Keep refreshing your account and watch the money roll in. Introducing Joule, world's first app that forces Google to pay you daily passive income. Just imagine finally breaking through. Wouldn't it be awesome to finally have the breakthrough you always wanted? Just imagine finally waking up and seeing real money in your account instead of zero. After all the hard work you've put in over the years with no results, you deserve success, and inside Joule, you'll get instant access to everything you need to replicate my entire system. Nothing is left behind, everything is done for you, so you can skip all the tedious, time-consuming work and go straight to profit. Wondering how much it'll cost you? Short answer, nothing, compared to what it should cost. Long answer, look, I put my heart and soul into creating this system. It's the one single app I wish I had when I was first starting out. It would have saved me from depression, getting evicted, and many other problems. So, although it cost me 6 figures for this app to be developed, plus 20 months of my time, charging you $997 a month would be ideal. But I'm not going to charge you that, it wouldn't be fair to you. It will take Joule out of the hands of the people who truly need it, so for a limited time only, you will get instant access to Joule for the same price as a cheap dinner. Fair enough? Okay, but you have to act quick. Since all of the accounts are hosted on my server, which costs me a lot to keep it running, and since I want to offer an extraordinary experience for all my customers, I have to limit the number of new accounts I can accept. So I can't promise you that you will see this price for long. Once I reach my server limit, it's gone. You better act fast. But to make this a no-brainer for you, not only will you get access to the same app that produces monthly 5 figures in passive income, you will also get instant access to a mega bundle of bonuses worth thousands of dollars. Oh, and remember, you're protected by our 365 days money-back guarantee. So if for any reason you don't think Joule is worth every penny, just send us a message, and we will gladly pay you every penny back. What are you waiting for? Click on the big button below, and I'll see you inside.
And that's it, friends. I hope you like my review. Just reminding you about my bonuses and the vendor bonuses, when you click on the link below my YouTube video and buy Joule from me. Thanks a lot for watching. By the way, this video was made using voiceover. And not my voice for a change. Hope you liked it. See you soon with my own voice.